else on the front street. As he continues to come back in and make it in, there the count complete. They've got within a count of 60 to hit somebody being in the ice. Once again, the red flags go up, the siren sounds, all vehicles must come to an immediate stop.
I'm going to go Batman. You're Batman. Yeah, I am.
Okay, we've got 2 left. Unfortunately, his seat is broken very badly and it's very dangerous for him to continue, so this one will not be allowed to continue. However, we now have 2 left. Okay. All right, we've got 2 left as they continue to play in the truck heat tonight. Once again, being very cautious with everyone's safety. Number 18 with a broken seat. That the one up on the blocks was pushed up on the block, so the other truck must get him off the block. You are not allowed to push somebody up on the block, but if you do, you've got a count of 60 to get him off the block. So it's up to the truck that put him up there to get him off. Because you are not allowed to push another vehicle up on the blocks. If you do, you've got with a count of 60 to get him off the block.